Hi, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. If you're one of those people that works on a computer all day, or you have rounded shoulders like this, okay, or you're on your phone all day and you just feel like your shoulders are dropping forward and down and you need support, this is a great way to do it. This is not Kinesio tape, okay? So K-tape, Kinesio tape, they call it rock tape, spider tape. There's all these different types, but it's all Kinesio tape. And K-tape has a lot of elasticity to it, and K-tape tends to lift the tissue and bring more blood flow to the area and decompress the area a little bit. Whereas this tape, this is dynamic tape. This has, it's stronger. It doesn't stretch as much. It has a little bit of give to it, but it's much stronger, the elasticity. And it does not bend or elongate sideways like K-tape does. It elongates sideways and the long way. So again, more support with this tape, dynamic tape, than you would see with K-tape. So there is a difference. Also, the way we put on K-tape is different. So you want to extend or elongate the muscle before putting on K-tape, and then use a little bit of pull. Whereas dynamic tape, we're gonna have her shorten the muscle. So I'm gonna have her actually shrug her shoulders up like this before I tape it. That way when we tape it down and she drops it down, this is gonna give her support. It's gonna lift her shoulders up and back, and it's gonna prevent a lot of the tension, neck tension and pain that she's having. So you can leave this on for several days. Probably won't stay on more than 5-6 days at most, okay? So you can take a shower with it, and I'm gonna round the corners so when you put your shirt on and off, it doesn't affect it. All right, so we've never done a video on this. A lot of you have probably heard of K-tape and taping, and we've done a lot of different videos on taping, but this is unique because it's a more supportive tape. You can even make this even more supportive. This comes in a black one as well, that's even stronger than this. But we're gonna see how we do here with this tape. This should be enough support for her. And again, we're gonna go from the shoulder, over the back of the shoulder, right to about C7 here. So at the base of the neck, and then wrap it around here to the other shoulder. It's gonna go like that. And with K-tape, we do a pull. We actually pull about 50% on the tape. We're not gonna do that with this. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, Grace, go ahead and shrug your shoulders up. Good, as high as you can for me. Good, and if you need the chair, the table to do that, you can do that. Push off the table, you know, just to shrug your shoulders up and back. That you can put on. This tape job is impossible to do to yourself. You'll need me to do this particular tape job, but sometimes people can tape themselves effectively if they know what they're doing. So you'll notice I'm just placing this tape down. I'm not pulling on it. We want to do that. It's a nice anchor. And here, I'm not going to pull on the tape at all because she's already got her shoulders shrugged. So you want to bring them up. There we go. Hold them like that. Hold them, hold them, hold them for me. Okay. And because, you know, she's older and her skin is a little more fragile and thin, we want to be careful pulling this off, because when you pull it off, it can pull on the skin a bit. Keep those shoulders shrugged, okay? Keep them shrugged. Okay, now relax your shoulders. Okay, and tell me how that feels, if you feel support there. If you want to stand up, you can go ahead and stand up. See how that feels? Does that feel supportive for you? Like you can hold your shoulders up and back a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not supposed to be a ton of support. It's supposed to be just a little bit to stabilize things and give you a little bit of help. Okay, so that's how we tape with dynamic tape for forward leaning shoulders, for somebody that feels like their head is being carried forward and they can't bring it back. This is a great supportive way to tape someone. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.